Basically, a floor plan drawing also requires information about the orientation of the building, the north direction. This direction is symbolized by an arrow. By default, this north arrow is visible in both 2D and 3D views. You should make sure that one side of the building is exactly horizontally orientated so that you don't have to work with random angles during your planning process. Instead, rotate the north arrow to show the building's orientation. This can also happen at any time later. There is a separate dialog on the terrain ribbon for editing the north arrow. First, activate a 2D view in which the environment layer is visible. This 2D view is used in our north arrow dialog as a preview for your settings. In the dialog itself, you can now set the size of the north arrow symbol, rotate the arrow or move it in relation to the building. All terrain elements, including the north arrow, are located on the environment layer. If you want to edit such an element, you must first activate the environment layer in our project viewer. Now you could select the north arrow and move it with your mouse, or open its properties dialog. The north arrow is an independent object and can therefore be switched invisible via the visibilities of our views. The north direction, defined by the arrow, also determines the calculation of the sun position and the shadow calculation during ray tracing or our real-time shadows in presentation mode. Even if you don't want the north arrow to be shown in your drawings, the direction should be correct for the overall realistic impression in 3D views.